Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone and accessory have charge, are nearby, and Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, make sure location or GPS is on for devices that require it, and turn off airplane mode so radios are active. Next, close apps that might hold audio streams or previously paired connections because they can block pairing attempts. Finally, put the accessory into explicit pairing mode. You must see a blinking LED or hear a voice prompt, so the phone can discover it and begin a fresh connection. Once the accessory is in pairing mode, remove old entries. You should forget the device in Bluetooth settings to clear stored keys. Then toggle Bluetooth off and on, wait about 10 seconds to flush caches, and rescan for devices. This forces a fresh handshake. If pairing still fails, power cycle both devices to reset internal radios and check for firmware or OS updates, because mismatched versions often break protocols. If an update is available, install it before retrying, as software fixes can resolve compatibility problems. After a successful handshake, confirm the connection by playing audio or transferring a file to verify streams and profiles are correct. If the accessory still misbehaves, perform a factory reset on that accessory to remove corrupted settings. Follow the manufacturer's sequence and then repair. Make sure battery savers or profile restrictions aren't blocking Bluetooth profiles. If problems persist, try pairing with a second phone or a different accessory. This isolates whether the issue is with your phone, the accessory, or the Bluetooth link itself, so you can.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.